If you wanted to become a chef, would you enroll in a welding school? I hope not. Let me ask another question. If you wanted to know how any topic on Earth connects with the creator of the universe and his purposes, would you turn to ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini for answers? That would be about as smart as enrolling in a welding school to learn how to cook. The fact is, Christians don't have to turn to ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini for input on Christian interests. A biblically based, theologically sound alternative has been created that connects any subject or any everyday topic to specific biblical truths and provides practical ideas for family conversations and lesson plans. It's called the Biblical Univiewer. This tool doesn't replace God the Father, Jesus, or the Holy Spirit, of course, and it doesn't replace your pastor. But it does give you another tool for your toolbox, one that's easy to use and as close as your phone. Click the link below to get started.